Hey legends, and a big warm welcome back to the Wealth Yogi channel. Seb Williams here with you today, and in this video we're going to be talking about the 5 ways that you can go out there even as quickly as today and start monetizing your Instagram, which is a very exciting thought and something that I'm beyond passionate about in terms of helping people monetize their passion, monetize their social media. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, before we dive into the good stuff, there is something that we have to do, and you know by now the drill. We have to hit the show reel. So let's hit it. Now, as you can imagine, there are obviously more than 5 ways that you can go and monetize your Instagram. However, after trying lots of different things, not only ourselves, but after seeing what our students have also tried and coming together over many months and years of trying different things, we have seen what works and what doesn't. Or maybe I should say what works the best and what maybe is a little bit harder, takes a little bit longer. Because if you're anything like me, speed of result is important, especially when we're talking about creating an income. Whilst yes, you want to build something that is worthwhile, that has longevity, you want to get there as quickly as possible as well, right? We want to take the shortcut to the best place rather than just taking a short-term win and then having to take another short-term win again and another short-term win again and being in that constant hamster wheel of having to create something rather than creating something that is a bit more evergreen, a little bit more long-lasting. And that's really when we've gone through and picked out these five ways that you can monetize your Instagram, that you can monetize really any audience actually. This is what we've got in mind, is speed of result and longevity of what we're building. Because if you're going to put the effort in, you want to make sure that it's going to pay off in the long term, right? You want to reap the rewards of the effort, of the energy, of the time, of maybe even the money that you're putting into making this happen. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the first thing, which is my favorite. We've talked a lot about this on the channel before, and that is affiliate marketing. For those of you that are new to that concept, affiliate marketing is where you register to be an affiliate of a particular product or service. Practically every company has an affiliate program. Amazon has Amazon Associates, which is their affiliate program, whereby you can register with them. You can register on their website as an associate or an affiliate, and you'll get your own special unique link that when you send that out on Instagram or wherever you're doing your marketing, people click that link. If they buy whatever it is through your unique link, through your special link, you will get a commission for having helped generate that sale. So it's a commission-based role. There's no, hours, no contracts, no overly complicated stuff. It's as simple as, hey, you help the company get a new customer, and for your effort, for your work, you'll get a commission on the sale. It's a beautiful model. Practically every company in the world has their own affiliate program. So it's not going to be hard for you to find an affiliate program that resonates with you, that resonates with your audience. And what's really exciting about this, what I love about this so much, is that you don't need to have your own product or service. You don't need to create or invent anything. You don't need to handle the sale. You don't need to take any payment. You don't even need to do any customer fulfillment. You don't even need to do any customer follow-up. So if they have a problem or they've got questions or they need help with their product or service, the company handles all of that. Using Amazon as the example again, Amazon handle all of that. The customer pays Amazon. The customer if they've got any follow-up, any queries, any customer experience that needs to be dealt with, who deals with it? Amazon. However, because you introduced Amazon to that new customer, Amazon of course pay you a commission for that. And the amount of heavy lifting that is taken care of by somebody else is very appealing, especially if you like having your time. If you're big on time freedom and financial freedom, then affiliate marketing really is something that is worth exploring. Now, there are really 2 types of affiliate marketing. Some of you might be thinking, but what does that mean? Simply put, and this goes for a lot of things as well, but particularly with affiliate marketing, is you can have a one-time sale So let's say you send somebody to Amazon, they buy a book, and you get a commission for that sale. That's a one-time purchase. There's no follow-up, there's no recurring thing there. The second thing, and I've kind of already spilled the beans on it, is that you could have a recurring customer. So if you send somebody to buy, say, a software, this is where you normally find these kind of recurring billing payments. Just as an easy example, say you send somebody onto Disney Plus, which I would love if they had their own affiliate program. They haven't launched one yet that I'm aware of. When they do, I'm going to be all over that. You're not going to hear me shut up about Disney Plus, not that I do anyway, right? But Disney Plus, Netflix, those kind of things, you pay $6, $10, whatever it is a month, every month, right? That's recurring. Now, if you send somebody that customer, you send a company that customer, and that customer's paying every month, that most likely means that you will get a commission every single month. Now that, we're talking about building something long-lasting, getting rewarded for your effort. That is a game changer within itself. And these are always the affiliate programs that I lean towards, where they're high paying. So maybe, a customer spending $30, $40, $50, $60, $100 a month on a software that they're getting lots of benefit from, obviously, because they keep paying for it every month. And then I'm earning good commission every single month. I send more customers, my monthly recurring income just keeps growing. So I'm a big fan of those kind of affiliate programs. Now let's move on to the second way that you can monetize your Instagram, and that is by dropshipping. Most people are familiar with this. If you're not, it's finding a supplier where you sell somebody else's product, you sell it on your own Shopify store usually, or WooCommerce, something like that. And when you get the customer, you handle the fulfillment. However, you don't need to touch the product. The product is just sent from the supplier directly to the customer, hence the sort of terminology of drop shipping. You never touch it. However, you do have to be a little bit more involved than affiliate marketing, because you have to have your own store, you have to take the payment. If they've got any questions, any follow-up, any problems, questions, things like that, you're going to need to deal with those inquiries as they come in as well. So there's a little bit more legwork. However, it can be very, very profitable. I have my own e-commerce store, dropshipping store, and I love it. It's absolutely brilliant. It can be heavily automated, and you can outsource a lot of that sort of manual work of processing orders, of replying to emails, all of that kind of stuff. You can set a system up in place where that's taken care of for you. However, it is a little bit more profitable maybe than affiliate marketing, because you tend to have more room to play with because you set your prices. So dropshipping is a great business model. Highly recommend that as well. The third way that you can monetize your Instagram is through e-commerce. Now, some of you who are maybe been around in this space for a while will think, aren't dropshipping and e-commerce the same thing? And they kind of are, however, there are subtle differences. With dropshipping, you're selling somebody else's product. However, with typical straight up e-commerce, you're selling your own product. So maybe you have created something, maybe you're doing your own clothing and you print the designs yourself, or maybe you've invented something fantastic, I don't know what, but you've got your own product that you physically have with you, that you create, that you ship, that you do all of that yourself. That is what I would define as e-commerce rather than dropshipping, when you're selling your own product, which is great for those creative people of you where you've got something like that. Go ahead and sell your own thing. And then, okay, maybe there's cost involved with you making it, potentially your time cost as well. However, if that's what you want to do, then great. Go and find an audience who needs that thing and really, really enjoy that process. I know there's a lot of creative people where they love being in that process of creating and inventing and designing. Go ham at it. It's a beautiful way to create an income. The fourth way that you can do this is with your own service. So within our students, we have a lot of coaches, we have a lot of people who are experts or very knowledgeable in a particular area, whether that's maybe personal trainers, or maybe that's business coaches, or people who are great at marketing and they help people with that, or whatever it might be. You can offer your own service, either maybe as a freelancer, one-on-one with people, or maybe you have your own agency where you bring on clients on retainer and you have a team of people who look after those clients. Having your own service is a great way, again, to monetize your following. Now, the fifth way kind of bridges a few of these different things together and is I know I've said my favorite a lot, but this one is when you wrap your head around the concept of it, you will realize how much potential there is and how much time and financial freedom this will give you. Now, this is called digital products and services. So we've talked a lot about physical products with dropshipping and e-commerce. We've talked a lot about your own services where your time is required to fulfill those services for your clients. Now, if you could create something, a digital product, a digital service that fulfills the client's needs for you, maybe an ebook, maybe a mini course, maybe a full-on 12-week program that's delivered all by video or all automated or something. If you can create something once and then have it fulfilled automatically, think about how much time freedom that is going to give you back when you don't need to be actively involved with your time in terms of fulfilling on the thing that you've sold. So you could sell it on autopilot and fulfill it on autopilot. Suddenly you're getting a lot of your time back. Now, the next layer to this, and this is incredible. When I first heard this, I had to hear it a few times to wrap my head around it. But if you say you create your own course on how to do marketing, as an example, when people are doing their marketing, they're going to need a few different tools, a few different softwares that I would probably recommend to them. Things like ClickFunnels, things like ActiveCampaign, things like maybe Shopify, different tools for Facebook ads, all these different things. Now, these softwares cost money. They're investing in their marketing. Now, I can teach them how to use these things, how to do their marketing, how to make 6 figures online, all the rest of it. Now, when I recommend a different product, a different service, a different software inside of my course, I can be an affiliate for said things. Now, I'm referring people onto these things, so I'm going to get affiliate commissions and I'm going to get paid for selling my course or my program, my service, whatever it is. Now you're wrapping a couple of different things together here. So you get paid up front for selling your digital product, your digital service, and you're able to refer people on to very much where we started in terms of affiliate marketing. You're able to refer people on as affiliate to those products and services. And if you can find something that people will pay for monthly, typically software, typically services, rather than individual products, if you can find and refer people onto those kind of things, then you're getting paid once up front and getting paid monthly on the back end. Or you could even set up a recurring monthly service where you're getting paid recurring on the front end as well. There is so much potential with these things. Now, you can see why I get excited about this. I hope that you found this valuable. If you did, let us know which one you're going to actually go out there and implement. Because remember, knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is power. So actually take this and run with it and go ahead and implement this into your social media, into your Instagram. And if you're wondering at this point, well, how is it that I actually grow my Instagram? Because I might have the best offer in the world. I might have the best thing to sell somebody in the world. But if nobody sees it, nobody knows. Nobody's going to be able to buy it. You need the visibility. We actually have a video which I'll place somewhere here, thanks to the magic of YouTube. Go ahead and watch this. We talk all about how to grow your Instagram organically in 2021 and beyond. And that'll help you get some eyeballs, help you get some visibility on whichever one of these 5 ways you've decided to implement for yourself. So until the next video, stay blessed and we'll see you there.